Hello students, today we are doing lesson 4 from the Marathi Akshar Bharati textbook for standard 9. GIP Railway. This video was made just for you. Do remember to like, share and subscribe. The full form of GIP Railway is the Great Indian Peninsular Railway Company. Now this lesson is written by Prabodhankar Thakre. So first, before we begin reading the lesson and understanding it, let's understand what is the summary or just the gist of the lesson. That is पाठ परिचय. सन 1853 मध्ये इंग्रजांनी मुंबई ते ठाणे असा एकेरी रेल्वे मार्ग तयार केला. लोखंडी रुळावरून वाफेच्या जोरावर धावणारे रेल्वे पाहून लोकांना होणारे नवल, रेल्वेविषयी पसरलेल्या अफवा व त्यातून मार्ग काढत सुरू झालेले रेल्वे प्रवास याचे अतिशय सुंदर, मार्मिक व ओगवत्या शैलीत वर्णन लेखकाने प्रस्तुत पाठात केले आहे. Now what does this mean is, in 1853 the British started the first single track railway route from Mumbai to Thane. In this lesson the author has beautifully given a great touching account of the people's curiosity in seeing the steam engine running on iron tracks. He has also described the rumors doing the rounds as well as how the railway authorities tried various ways of overcoming these rumors by providing incentives to the rail travelers. That is, the railways first gave them monetary, that is, they gave them money to travel by the trains, and later on they also did various other things like making them travel by palkis and all that, so that people would start traveling and not get scared of the railways or traveling by train. So let's read and understand this lesson. मुंबई प्रांतात रेल्वे असावी असा उठावा means in Bombay we should also have a railway. उठावा means a demand, the idea. मुंबईला प्रथम, that is in Mumbai for the first time, Sir Jamshedji Jijaboy. So these are the names of people, that is Sir Jamshedji Jijaboy आणि Jagannath Nana Shankar Shet. So he is another person. So these two people who were the very prominent social people in society ह्यांनी केला. So they were the ones who demanded that even Mumbai should have a railway track or railway station and a train. Mulji Jeta Murarji Gokuldas. So this is the name of a person. Then another name of the person is Adamji Peerboy. Then the third person is David Sassoon. So these three people and Vagere means and some more people, Anek Namkint. Namkint means when known. Nagar Shet Jiche. So all these people who were traders, who were businessmen, Artat Tyanna Patabal Hotots. So they also gave their support and they also told that yes, we should also have a train or the railway track in Mumbai. सन 1853 मध्ये ग्रेट इंडियन पेनिन्सुला रेल्वेचा पहिला छोटा फाटा मुंबई ते ठाणे पर्यंत एकेरी रस्त्याचा तयार झाला. So it means that in 1853 the Great Indian Peninsular Railway Company, पहिला means the first छोटा फाटा, the small track मुंबई ते ठाणे पर्यंत, from Mumbai to Thane, एकेरी रस्ता means it was a single track route तयार झाला. So they prepared the first single track route from Mumbai to Thane in 1853. लोखंडी रुळावरून, लोखंड means made of iron, रुळावरून means track, इंग्रेज आगीन गाडी. So इंग्रेज means the English, आगीन गाडी means the steam engine, आगीन गाडी, that is fire engine running on fire. चालवणार means they will be running. ही कल्पना लोकांना मोठी अचंब्याची वाटली. कल्पना is the idea, so people found it very very strange, very they said this is just achumba means it is like miracle, so they couldn't even imagine that such a thing is possible. अखेर मुहूर्ताचा दिवस जाहीर झाला. So at last the auspicious day was declared. दिनांक 18 एप्रिल सन 1853. So on 18th April 1853 सोमवार, that is Monday, रोजी सायंकाळी, that is on Monday, in the evening 5 वाजता पहिली आगगाडी मुंबईहून निघाली. So at 5 in the evening the first आगगाडी, that is the steam engine, मुंबईहून निघाली. From Mumbai it departed. पाना फुलांचे हार, तोरणे, निशाण लावून. So पाना फुलांचे means har is the garland made of leaves and flowers. So whenever there is any new thing that we do, we Indians decorate, no, our place, our homes, our anything that we do. Even when we are buying a car, we decorate the car with garlands and all that. So in the same way, the train was decorated with garlands and torne are the buntings that we put with little flags whenever there is any public programs. You must have seen it, they decorate the roads and all that. So torne, then nishane lavun, so various flags and all that were put. Daha mote, so 10 big. Kholi waza means as big as rooms. Dabbe is the bogies or the coaches. Shrungar lele means it was decorated. So 10 coaches which were as big as each rooms were decorated. इंजिनावर अंग्रेजांचे मोठे निशाण फडकत होते. So on the इंजिनावर means in the front, that is अंग्रेजांचे means the English, that is the Britishers. मोठे is big, निशान is the flag. So the Union Jack flag was fluttering, that is फडकत आहे. डब्यात गाडीच्या खुर्च्या. So डब्यात means the bogies of the coaches. गाडीच्या खुर्च्या, that is the seats. खुर्च्या is the chairs or seats. कोच यावर रेल्वेचे सगळे डायरेक्टर. So on that, in the coach, all the railway directors, सगळे directors, and Sir Jamshedji Jijaboy. So there was Sir Jamshedji Jijaboy. Remember, he is the social person, or he is a known person, well-known person in society. He was there, and Nana Shankar Sheth. He is another prominent personality. Ani अनेक इतर नगरशेठ. So there were other who were traders, businessmen, great personalities. Zamanima. So Zamanima means well dressed. करून बसलेले. So they were well dressed and ready to travel in the first train from Mumbai to Thane. बरोबर 5 वाजता आगगाडीने कूक शिटीचा कर्ण फुंकून आपल्या बकबक चकचक प्रवासाला सुरुवात केली. सो बरोबर मीन्स एक्झॅक्टली 5 o'clock, 5 वाजता आगगाडीने. सो द ट्रेन कूक शिटी. सो दिस इज द साऊंड ऑफ द विसल. शिटीचा कर्णा फुंकून. So the horn of the train. Funkun means blowing the horn. आपल्या बकबक चकचक. So बकबक चकचक means is the sound of the train that we have all know about. प्रवासाला सुरुवात केली. So the journey started exactly at 5 o'clock in the evening. So मुंबई ते ठाणे दुतर्फा लाखांवर लोक. So from Mumbai, that is from Mumbai to Thane, all the way, okay, dutarfa means on both the sides of the track, lakhanvar of the track, okay, so both the sides of the track, lakhanvar, lakhs of people, okay, lakhanvar lok, that is people. Kalyugatla. Kalyug is the fourth, era, the fourth age that we have it in our Hindu culture. So that we can say the present age. Ha Vingrezi Chamatkar. So Vingrezi is, they used to in Marathi for English people, they call Vingrezi. So the English people's Chamatkar. Chamatkar is, this strange, miraculous thing that is happening. पायाला या वासून उभे होते, आ वासून उभे होते. So to watch this strange happening, okay, they were all standing on both the sides with wonder in their eyes. A vasun is, they were so awe and wonder in their eyes. They wanted to see it and experience it. Na bail. So there was no bullock, na reda, no buffalo, na ghoda, no horse also. आणि वाफेच्या जोरावर. So only on steam, okay, on the strength of the stream, एक नाही, not one, दोन नाही, not two, but 10 डब्यांची. So 10 coaches. डब्बे is coaches. माळका is chain. खुशाल चालली आहे. खुशाल means without any worry. So smoothly, it means smoothly it is running. चालली आहे. झुकझुक करत लोखंडी रुळावरून. So झुकझुक, that is the sound of the train. करीत लोखंडी, that is iron. रुळावरून is tracks. So this, not one, not two, but 10 coaches are running very smoothly, and no animal is pulling it, but only on steam. So they found it really very strange. So we are talking about 1853. So we can imagine it was something very very strange, very very unknown to people, and they couldn't even imagine that such a thing was possible. So they were lakhs of people had come to watch it. So कमाल आहे बुवा या विंग्रेजांची. So all were surprised, so this English people, what kamal, so what what a work they are doing it. So kamal ahe bua is a way of saying bua is brother. So ya विंग्रेजांची आता तर काय. So they were wondering what else ahead of this. Now they are even running an engine on they can run the engine on steam. So what else could they think of? विस्तव आणि पाणी. So विस्तव is fire आणि पाणी, that is water. So with the help of fire and water यांची सांगड घालून, सांगड is a combination of fire and water घालून विंग्रेजांनी, that is the English, the Britishers, वाफेलाच गाडी ओढायला लावली. So with the help of the steam only, this English people have made it possible for a whole gadi is a car or a train. Okay, so odaila lavli is made it pull a whole car with the help of steam. So that is very very strange. That is what people just couldn't believe it. मुहूर्तावर निघालेली पहिली आगगाडी ठाण्याला जाऊन मुंबईला सुखरूप परत आली. So on that auspicious day, the train had left. So its journey departed from Mumbai to Thane, and from Thane it returned back. Okay, so Sukhrup, that is safely it came back, परत आली. पण त्या वाफेच्या गाडीत, so but in that steam engine बसायचा लोकांना धीरच होईना. So लोक, that is people, did not have the courage. Dheeraj means courage. They did not have the courage to take the train at all. दुसऱ्या दिवसापासून, so from the next day, दुसऱ्या दिवसापासून लोकांना मोफत ठाणे ते मुंबई आणि परत येण्या आणण्याची दवंडी पेटण्यात आली. So now the railway authorities wanted the people to travel, no? So what they did is they decided that for few days we will tell them that the train journey will be free. So they declared that it will be free from Mumbai to Thane and back. Okay, so going and coming, they announce. Davandi means they used to play a drum sort of a instrument, so that the people would come to know and make an announcement about this. So all the people would know about it. So it was a public announcement made that from Mumbai to Thane and Thane to Mumbai, people could travel to and fro freely. Okay, without paying anything. आगगाडी बसणे धोक्याचे नाही, प्रवास लवकर नि सुखाचा होतो. So the railway authorities had to convince the people that traveling by the steam engine or the train is not dangerous. धोक्याचे means dangerous, it's not dangerous. धोक्याचे नाही. प्रवास लवकर, so प्रवास means the journey or the travel is very fast. लवकर is fast. Ni means ani. Sukhacha hoto. Sukhacha means very very peaceful, very very nice, and you don't get tired. So sukhacha hoto हे लोकांना पटवण्याचे. So they try to convince. पटवणे means to convince the people. रेल्वेच्या कारभाराने खूप आटापिटा केला. So the railway authorities or the officers tried their best. Atapita means a lot of effort they put to try to convince the people to travel and to tell them that it is going to be very fast, it is going to be very very peaceful, you will not get tired, so no tiredness and all that. पण but लोकात भलत्याच खंड्या. So among the people there is to be भलत्यास means useless, खंड्या is fake news नी अफवांचे. अफवा means rumors. पिकले होते. So it was, spreading like wildfire, all this, fake news and news rumors, all sorts of rumors. So we'll be studying about some of the rumors that were spreading in the later part of the lesson. But this is what was happening. The railway authorities were trying their best to get the people to travel. They even declared free travel, but then still the people were not convinced enough to travel. To check your answers to the textual questions and for free worksheets, please visit our website at www.jkacademypro.com. You'll get the link in the description box below. Do remember to like, share and subscribe.